he goes. Rocking and rolling. Are you rocking and rolling? Are you making a mess of your lentils? No. He's just really enjoying his lunch today. You gonna show us how you rock and roll again? You're just gonna giggle? Alright. Lovey, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. There goes one hand. Alright.